everybody, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and today I'd like to do a short video on how to upload your videos to YouTube. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to google.com and you're going to want to create a Gmail account. So the easiest way to do that is just to click on Gmail. It's up here in the upper right hand corner, and it will tell you to sign in or create an account. So that's what you want to do there, and I've covered that in previous videos. And what you want to do after you've created an account and signed in, or signed in if you already have an account, is you want to go to YouTube, and then what you want to do is you want to see this little icon right here in the upper right hand corner. It's the picture of the camera with the plus sign in it. What you're going to do is you're going to click on that, and then you're going to click where it says upload video, and it'll have this selected right here. And what you want to do is you want to go to private, and then what you want to do is you want to find your videos. So my videos are under my personal folder, and they're probably going to be under videos, yeah, and there are a bunch of videos there. And if I wanted to put a video up on YouTube, I would just drag one of these videos over in here to this window, and it would automatically start uploading it. So we'll just do a test right here. So you just do that till it says copy, and then it'll start uploading it right there. You can see it doing its little job. And while it's doing the upload, what you want to do is make sure that you've got the title of the video the way you want it. Type in a short description. You can even drag that down so you can see it a little bit better. And then you want to put tags in there. And tags are what help people who are searching for videos. They help them find your videos. So for instance, this might have the word computer in it, or it might have the word tutorial, and you want to separate all those tags by a comma. So it's a computer comma, tutorial comma, computer help comma, etc., etc. And YouTube will tell you when you've used too many of those, and you can cut some out. And then when you're done with all of this, you have it exactly the way you want it, you can create a playlist and then add it to a playlist, and then when all of that is finished, you go from private to public, and then you can say done, and then it will upload your video. And that is how you upload a video to YouTube. I hope everybody found this video to be helpful. If so, please like and share it, and please subscribe to my channel. And if anybody in the Memphis, Bartlett, Germantown, Collierville, or Midtown area is in need of in-home computer repair, please feel free to call me, Dave Bensman, at Bensman Home Computer Repair. And as always, stay safe.